In this video, I will show you how to reset relay indications using software when the relay keypad is not functioning. The electrical protection relay used here is MiCOM. I am demonstrating the steps on a P14 model, but the same procedure is applicable to all MiCOM relays. First, launch MiCOM S1 Agile software. Click on Quick Connect. Select the device type. In my case, I select P40 Agile Compact, which connects to a P14 relay. I am using the USB port for communication, so select USB port from the available options. After selecting USB port, the connection parameters screen appears. At this stage, you will notice that the COM port, relay address, and other parameters are inactive because the relay is not yet connected to the laptop. Now, connect the relay and laptop using a USB cable. As soon as the connection is made, all inactive parameters become active. You can also verify the device details in Device Manager. Click Finish. After a successful connection, you will see the message Operation Success. Complete the configuration. You may change the settings if required or simply leave them as they are. Click Finish again. This will successfully add the new device. Now go to System Explorer. If it is not already open, click View and then select System Explorer. In System Explorer, right-click on the device you just added and select Supervised Device. The device control menu will appear. Locate the Reset Cell option. Inside Reset Cell, click Reset Indication and then click Reset Send. This will successfully reset all LED indications on the relay. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.